Hey guys, as you can see, I already done my eyebrows, my eyeshadows and my eyelashes off camera, and I already applied concealer all over my face because I'm suffering from acne and discoloration. So in order to close those acne spots, I use concealer all over my face. So I use my LA Girl concealer all over my face. I did these steps off camera because I thought I was recording, but I did not press a record button, so unfortunately I was not able to record when I was doing all those steps. And now I'm just going in with my foundation from H&M, and I'm going to apply that foundation all over my face. And guys, please do bear with me, my voice is sounding so terrible because I'm down with flu, so bear with me on that. And another thing, I'm using a natural light, so you'll be seeing some flashes on my camera because the sun is going up and down, so the weather is not stable today guys, so please do bear with me once again. So right now, as you can see, I'm going in with my foundation and I'm going to apply that foundation all over my face, and afterwards I'm going to take my BB cream and I'm going to apply it above my eyebrows and underneath my eyes. So right now I'm just doing that, and the next step that I'm going to do is to take my BB cream. I'm going to go ahead and take my Revolution contour palette and I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes, my forehead and my chin. next step that I'm gonna do is to take my highlight and contour palette from MEIS, and I'm going to contour all over the perimeter of my face and on my nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. Now I'm going to take my MAC foundation powder and I'm going to apply it all over my face. To take my pencil lip liner and I'm going to apply it all over my lips. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my black pencil liner and I'm going to apply it at the out corners of my lips. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my blush. to go ahead and take my highlighter and I'm going to highlight my lips. Highlight on the bridge of my nose using my revolution contour. The hair that I'm using is Brazilian water wave. So right now I'm just spraying water all over the hair so that I can bring back. The final look. Tell me what you think about this look, and do please, if you are not subscribed yet, do hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you guys for the love and the support that you'll be